Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Mr. Mime from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a triangle. Smoothen the corners. Make a triangle into smooth shape by drawing curved line. Draw a vertical and horizontal curve lines. Erase the guidelines. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw mouth. Draw tongue. Draw cheeks. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw a new shape for the body. Detail the body. Draw circles to mark the leg and hand position. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw a stick line for the hand position. Draw a stick line for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw shoes. Draw shoes. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.